Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up HOA or property management income for taxes, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively back up HOA or property management income for taxes, start with understanding the types of income generated. Collect all financial documents related to the property management activities. Gather monthly income statements that detail all rental income received. Include any other sources of income, such as late fees or pet deposits. Organize bank statements for all accounts associated with the property management. Ensure these statements match the income listed in your financial documents. Next, create a spreadsheet to track all income and expenses. Label columns for the date, source of income, amount received, and any payment method details. Make sure to categorize each income source accurately for easy reference. Document all expenses associated with managing the properties, including maintenance and management fees. Compile invoices and receipts for any operational costs incurred during the year. Store this information in a dedicated folder, either digitally or in paper format. After gathering all documentation, review to ensure accuracy and completeness. Check for any discrepancies between your income statements and bank deposits. Consult with a tax professional if you have questions about any specific income or expense categories. Prepare to present your organized documents to your accountant or during tax preparation. Keep copies of everything for your records. Consider saving this organized documentation for at least 7 years. Review your income documentation periodically throughout the year to ensure you stay organized. This prevents any last-minute scrambles as tax season approaches. Being proactive will help ensure a smoother tax filing process for your HOA or property management income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.